So in this Robinhood tutorial video, I will be showing you how to buy Chainlink cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. So once Robinhood's opened up, go to the bottom and select on the magnifying glass. Once you're here, you can either go to this where it says trending list, go to market cap, and then if you were to go to view all right here, you can then find Chainlink right here under market cap. You can select it, or you can just go to the top, and this is probably a little bit easier. Search up Chainlink, ticker symbol LINK or link, and then press on it. So once you're here and you're on the page, go to the bottom and select on the green buy button. Now you can type in the amount that you want to buy. So in my example, I will do $10. Then you can press review. Once you're on this page, you can review the transaction, so how much Chainlink you're going to be purchasing, the fees, the total cost, and if this looks good and you want to proceed, go to the bottom, swipe up to submit the transaction that way. So that is how you guys can buy Chainlink cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this helps.